Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add new broadcast recipients in WhatsApp on Android. Adding new recipients to your broadcast list is easy and can help you reach a wider audience with your messages. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and navigate to the broadcast you want to add new recipients to. This can be an existing broadcast or a new one you're creating. Next, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Broadcast List Info. This will take you to a screen where you can view your current broadcast list recipients. To add new recipients, tap on the three dots icon again. This time, select Add Recipients from the menu. You'll then be able to search for and select new recipients to add to your broadcast list. Simply type the name of the contact you want to add in the search bar and select them from the list of results. Repeat this process for each new recipient you want to add to the broadcast list. You can add as many recipients as you want. Once you've selected all the new recipients you want to add, tap on the checkmark icon to confirm your selection. You'll then be taken back to the broadcast list info screen, where you'll see the new recipients you've added. That's it. You've successfully added new broadcast recipients in WhatsApp on Android. Now you can start sending your messages to your expanded audience. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.